I'm Joshua McKinney with your Wake Tech News Update, reporting outside Building L on our Southern Wake campus, host site of the upcoming Wake Tech Open House. We'll have more on that story and more on the way, but we begin with news from our Scott Northern Wake campus. The Care Center opened at the Scott Northern Wake campus in August. The Care Center offers a variety of services, including student success coaches, emergency aid, wellness services, technology and transportation assistance, student money management, and the Nest Food Pantry. Wake Tech and the Boys and Girls Club serving Wake County are teaming up to help middle and high school students in underrepresented communities discover their post-secondary education and career paths. The two announced a new community outreach partnership that will provide a full-time college liaison to support outreach and career exploration activities for members of the Boys and Girls Clubs throughout the Raleigh area. Wake Tech launched a new and updated website. It's easier than ever for current and prospective students to find the information they need to make decisions about their future. The redesigned website features more video from Wake Tech's 250 credit programs to support services such as admissions, career services, and the Care Center. Other upgrades include streamlined navigation, event listings, and a social media wall, offering students and the community more opportunities to engage with the college. Well, while you're checking out our new and redesigned website, make sure you stop by and register for Wake Tech's Open House. Attendees can explore our academic programs from associate degrees for university transferred to skilled trades and more. Meet with financial aid, admissions representatives, and take a campus tour. Open House is coming up on Saturday, October the 14th from 9 a.m. to noon on our Southern Wake campus. To register, visit openhouse.waketech.edu. Wake Tech celebrated its new Workforce Continuing Education Kitchens Lab with a special grand opening. The kitchens feature more than 900 square feet of baking and cooking equipment. The lab will allow Wake Tech to offer a variety of short-term non-degree courses in culinary arts, baking, and hospitality. The 6 to 8 week courses provide high-quality, low-cost instruction that lead to industry certifications. We are proud to announce 5 Wake Tech faculty members have been recognized by their peers with the Exemplary Course Award presented by Anthology. Allison Console, Julie Evans, Melanie Thomas, Kate Jones, and Natalie Young were recognized for developing engaging and innovative courses for their students. Congratulations. And finally, Wake Tech Career Services hosted their part-time career fair at the Scott Northern Wake campus. The goal of the event was to help students who may be seeking employment while earning their degree. Whether you're a student or an alumni, you can access resources and services to help you establish a career pathway and find employment opportunities. For more about career services, visit careers.waketech.edu. As our Southern Wake campus is preparing for its fall open house, we look forward to welcoming you on October 14th. Don't forget to register at openhouse.waketech.edu. And for news and the latest, be sure to check us out online. Visit news.waketech.edu. And that's your Wake Tech News Update.